This right here is the Garvee folding sofa bed. It's a very comfortable mattress that, yeah, you can set out and lay down. It's got a back pillow that velcros on and also connects with some loops to the buttons. And then you have this really comfortable pillow. So you can either set it out and lay down flat, or you can fold it under and you can have a little bit of a chair, which is very comfortable to sit on, reading a book, having your morning coffee. It effortlessly transforms your comfy chair into a sofa lounge or a full-size bed, perfect for small apartments, dorms, guest rooms. It's pet friendly, it's made of corduroy, and very soft and durable as well. Feel that corduroy, and just, yeah, it has that soft padding underneath it, so making it very cushy for you to relax and sit on. It's even got pockets on the side, perfect for like your remotes if you want to put your remotes there. It's great. You can unzip it as well if you want to wash it, and that is very simple. But all in all, a really nice design and very comfortable. If you want to like have a nap on it, no problem. If you want to sit up and read in the morning, no problem. Or use this as like your gaming chair if you're playing games. So highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.